In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use My Tasks, Inbox, and integrations in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your work, how to stay on top of notifications, and how to connect Asana with other tools you use every day. Let's start with My Tasks. Once you're logged into Asana, look for the My Tasks option on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is your personal command center. Every task that's been assigned to you across different projects will appear here. You can think of it as your own to-do list inside Asana. It's a good habit to begin your day by opening My Tasks so you can quickly see what needs your attention. Next, let's move over to your inbox. In the sidebar, or towards the top depending on your layout, you'll see Inbox. Click on Inbox to open it. This is where you'll see all of your notifications, like when someone assigns you a task, comments on something you're following, or updates a due date. Your inbox helps you stay in the loop without digging through individual projects. Within the inbox, you'll notice a section for bookmarks. Click on bookmarks if you want to see items you've saved for easy access. This is especially helpful for important threads or tasks you need to reference often. Now, inside the inbox, click on any notification to open it. This will expand the item and show you the related task or conversation, along with any comments or changes. Take a moment to review the details there. If you're done with a notification and don't need to keep seeing it, you can archive it. Look for the option to archive and click it. Archiving removes the notification from your main view, keeping your inbox clean, but it doesn't delete the underlying task or conversation. If there's a notification you want to remember, you can add it to your bookmarks. Click on the bookmark icon on that notification. Once you've done that, you can click on the Bookmarks tab again to see everything you've saved in one place. Now let's talk about integrations. At the top of your Asana window, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Apps tab. Here, you'll see an option to See All Apps. Click that to open the full list of available integrations. From here, you can connect various apps to Asana, like communication tools, file storage, or calendar services, so that your work stays connected and streamlined in one place.